Good morning, everyone. This is Beam 'em Up Scotty, coming from beautiful Orlando, Florida. I wanted to show you guys a setup I had going this morning. I actually submitted a video, but the audio was too low, so I'm going to just do it again. I'll show you the setup, and now the trade is actually executed, so we'll go over that, see where it's at. It's based on the Fxcm SSI statistics and the daily trend. We're going to be looking at the dollar franc. If you don't use the SSI, you should start. It's a great indicator. Comes out twice a day on Fxcm Plus. And they have trading course videos, so if you don't know what it's about, just go watch those. Real simple. They're great videos. So anyway, we have the dollar franc at a 4.78 SSI statistics, meaning that there's 4.78 traders long for there's every one short. It's increased since yesterday, and this is a contrarian indicator, meaning that when it gets to a level like this, we're going to look to short. Had this said that there was 4.78 traders short, we might look at a long position. Now, it's not the only indicator we're going to look at. We're not going to see this and immediately jump into a trade, but it's something we can take a look at and help determine where we want to be on this trade. So let's go to the charts now. We'll look at the daily chart of the pair. It's been trending downward for quite a while. You can see these just simple trend lines I drew here. Hit this line a couple times, hit this line a few times here also. So it's definitely the downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. Move into the 4-hour chart. This is what I was looking at when I placed my entry order. We had the price move down to around this level here, move back up, hit this line. This is actually the high. This red line is at the high of this candle right here. It moved back down, tapped this line again, which was very close to this area of support, and over here it tapped it, like I said, a few times. This teal line is actually the low of this candle right here. So I placed an entry order 5 pips below this line, with my stop 5 pips above this line over here. So we'll see. Like I said, the trade is executed. Right now we're about 17 pips in the money. It did break through there. We shorted. Our stop is all the way up here at 263 pips away. But with all this the stuff that's going on in Europe, here in the U.S. with the debt limit fast approaching, Greece has their austerity votes tomorrow. People are burning cars in the streets today. So I like this trade. I think this amount of risk might be too much, might be a lot for some people, but it's something I'm willing to take. I wanted to make sure this trade had a lot of room to breathe. That way, if it maybe moved up 100 pips, I would still be in it. I didn't want to get stopped out. If you didn't want to keep your stop all the way up here, I could see putting it maybe at the top of this candle or a couple pips above this candle right here in the 84.45 area, or down here a little bit. It reduces your risk a little bit. But we did have a breakthrough. It's now moved 16 pips into the money, looking good. If we go to the hourly chart, we can see it broke through here, and it did come back a little bit, but it closed down. Looks like a good close, and now it started to take off again here. So we got to break through this. I'll watch it closely. I'll move my stops down manually. We'll wait for it to make a new low, move up, maybe move the stop down to the top of that latest high. But that's the trade I'm in right now. It executed, liking where it's at so far. So we'll see how everything goes. I hope everybody has a good day. Take care.